Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have a new controller for a company called NYXI. This is the NYXI FLEXI wireless controller and it is compatible with your Windows, Android, iOS and Nintendo Switch devices. The design is quite nice. As we can see on the front of the box they present us the controller. The sides of the boxes are pretty basic, just with their logo and their compliances, whatever. On the back, however, we have the features and what's so special about this controller. So if I zoom in a bit, it says removable magnetic cover. So basically this top plate can be removed so you can replace the D-pad and the joystick module. So it's basically like a hot swappable controller, which I never had one before. And I think it's pretty cool. Also has mechanical switches. If you got any issues with the controller, they have some QR codes here for the manual and their website. Just scan it, go to their support page, they will be more likely to help you out. But I'm pretty sure they include an instruction manual inside the box. If they don't, you have the QR code right here. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm not quite sure. So that's it with the box, I guess. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'll show you guys what you get inside, and later on in the video I'll show you how that hot swappable magnetic plate works. And yeah, I hope you guys will like what you see. I'm really intrigued because I never had a hot swappable controller before. So let's go ahead and do all that right now. Alright, so after opening everything up, this is pretty much what we get. Let's start with the small stuff first. So we have replaceable buttons right here along with a manual. So they included a manual, you don't have to scan that QR code. But if you need extra help, feel free to scan that QR code. We have We're Here support card. So if you ever have issues, like I told you before, you can contact them at support@nyxigame.com. Just send them an email, they'll be more than happy to help you out. We have a wireless dongle adapter, so basically you will have to plug this in to your laptop, your PC, or your Steam Deck, and this controller will work with all of that mentioned. Of course, Android, Nintendo Switch and iOS, as I mentioned before. We have a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. This is to charge the actual controller itself because it has a built-in battery, which I find pretty cool. This is the controller. It has nice grips, it has buttons on the back, it has clicky buttons, so I don't know if you guys can hear it. That sounds so cool. The triggers feel nice, the joysticks feels nice as well. I think they're Hall effect, I'm not sure, might be mechanical. To turn the controller on, all you have to do is just press this button. Obviously this has to be in your PC or your laptop to connect. As you can see, this is flashing, it means it's looking for a connection, which is not right now. And yeah, the design is pretty nice. It feels nice in your hand. The weight is nice as well. It's not too heavy and not too light. It's kind of the perfect weight, to be honest. It has this honeycomb pattern on the side for the RGB. I'm not sure if it's RGB or if it's only blue light. I haven't tested that yet, but from what you guys can tell, they have a backlight already, the blue one, and I think it looks really cool. So yeah, pretty much that's it what you get inside the box. I'm gonna put everything in the box now, and in the next part of the video I'm gonna show you how the hot swappable process works. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so I played with it for a bit and I'm impressed. This comes off really easily. As I said, it's magnetic. All you have to do is just pull from the bottom right here and it will come straight off. This is the bit that is hot swappable. I have it out right now. So basically it has a connector right here and a connector inside, so you can swap between this layout and you can go back to the, let's call it PlayStation layout, this layout. Some people prefer it this way. You can basically switch the D-pad and the joystick to switch their position. And obviously the X, Y, A, B keys are hot swappable as well. You can just pop them off and replace it. They also gave you a replacement, so whenever this one fade out or whatever, you can replace them. I'm pretty sure they have more spares if you guys want to buy them. And yeah, pretty much that's it. It's a really interesting concept. I honestly prefer it this way, but I know some people that prefer it in the PlayStation fashion way. Both of them look really cool. Again, if you want to insert the module completely, all you have to do, let's just flip it this way. All you have to do is just press on it, and that's it. The module is inserted, and then put the cover back on. Everything is pressed nice and neat. You can just turn it on. Oh, and by the way, to connect it, it's really easy. Plug in the USB into your PC, laptop, or Steam Deck, and turn the controller on. It's just plug and play, it will work straight away. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to buy this, I'm gonna have a link in the video description down below. Make sure you check it out, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.